and we're gonna do a pickle challenge, I guess you can call it. There's been a few TikToks about eating pickles with a bunch of different stuff. I hate pickles.
I love pickles.
She loves pickles. So this should be interesting and it should be fun. I hate mustard. She doesn't like mustard. I love hot Cheetos. She doesn't like hot Cheetos. So there's a few things that we both love and hate. So we'll see how this goes. We're gonna try a bunch of different sweet and spicy and salty stuff. So if you wanna watch us gag and laugh and do stuff, weird stuff, then just keep watching. So we're gonna start with, what do you want to start with?
Mustard.
Ew. Oh, I need a fork. Gonna get a fork.
And I just put my finger in there.
We got a fork. So people are literally just eating all this just like that. Like they just put the mustard on it and take a bite. Oh, I've never, interesting fact, I love the way pickles smell, but I've never actually, like, I don't know, I think I'm getting better at it, but I won't eat. I've never actually had a pickle like this, so I'm not gonna put that much. I'm only gonna put it on the tip.
It looks like a hot dog.
All right, cheers. It's really salty, but it's actually not bad.
I can't taste the mustard.
Really?
I can't.
I don't mind it. It's actually good. It tastes like a burger first.
Tastes like a pickle to me.
You taste a lot of saltiness when you first bite it, but I think that's the mustard, right? It doesn't really taste like mustard. It tastes very salty though. I'm not gonna finish the whole pickle with the mustard. You can finish it, it's okay.
It's okay.
Let's do something sweet now.
Roll-ups.
Okay, for roll-ups. They said to do strawberry. So we got strawberry ones. I also heard that you have to put it in the freezer.
Oh.
But we didn't do that. And I don't want to do that.
Too late.
Because it ends up like freezing and it's crunchy.
Oh.
And this is kind of like...
That would break my teeth.
I'm not going to waste this. So I'm only going to grab a piece. You
I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
You're supposed to, I guess, wrap it in it.
I don't know.
So we'll see how this goes. Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers. No.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it. This is good.
I like it. I think I'm surprised I'm eating pickles by themselves because I never have.
It's good.
Not the type of sweet that I would like with my pickle. It was hard. I'd rather eat them separated. Separate.
Let's do tahini.
Should we do chamoy with tahini?
Sure.
She's on her third pickle. Just saying. I'm barely on my... This is my second one, but I still haven't finished the first one. Just saying. Leave that there. Okay, we can do a mix.
I've had pickles with tahini before.
Oh, it's strong.
And that was really good.
So I'm gonna put tahini in here. I mean, chamoy. Just, yes. There you go. Yep. A little bit of limon. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I think I put too much chamoy. Huh?
That tastes good.
A little more.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Yum. I guess so. Oh.
Sounds good.
Wait a second.
Ready, brother?
Set cup.
It's actually good. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Okay. Eh. It's just the pickle that I'm like,
I like it.
but I keep going. It's the pickle that I'm like it. I actually didn't mind the mustard one.
I didn't taste it.
You can't taste the mustard, and I'm not a huge fan of mustard. I kind of want to try it again. It's actually good.
So it's
weird.
do the Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
Mm-mm.
I heard that the grape one is fire. So,
But we also got tropical punch.
yeah. So I guess we'll try both. Open that one. Open that one too. Just open it.
I'm not that excited
Don't
for
open
this
the whole
one.
thing, just the corner.
Too late.
You might want to bite another one.
Oh, yeah.
Fourth pickle. Fourth pickle. I kind of want to try the fruit punch. No, let's do grape first. Fuck it.
The same one at the same time?
Some people were confused about the flavor. They were like, this is actually good. So I'm excited to try it. Cheers.
Okay.
All right, go.
I need water.
WTF.
Ah! No, that was so sour.
Some people did it with Jello. Like gelatina powder?
We have some.
But I think that one's but grape.
Oh.
Okay,
Don't.
no.
Ugh. Put less.
Ugh.
Oh, that was strong. Okay.
Here. Let's do this one.
I put less.
I think this one's gonna be sweet. I don't think it's gonna be. Okay, cheers. Okay. Oh my god.
No!
Ugh. What a waste.
Don't do that.
I thought it was gonna be sweet.
Sorry.
I didn't get Oreos because I thought that was gonna be sweet. That's just not sweet. Just FYI. I kind of want to do Nutella.
No.
Let's do hot Cheetos. And what I saw the girl do, she just poured some hot Cheetos in her plate, and she was just munching on them.
Okay.
I probably only gonna be like 2. She was literally just munching on them.
Oh.
The mixture. It's
Yeah.
just chips and
And a pickle.
tengo dos pepinillos, tengo dos pepinillos, tengo dos pepinillos. It's not bad.
Ooh, that's spicy.
Mm.
Okay.
Bonus! Ooh,
I don't eat spicy. Okay. Nutella.
we're gonna do a
No.
bonus round. I don't know, I'm just thinking we didn't do Oreos, so we gotta do something sweet, but
It's like my 5th pickle.
I don't
I
know.
don't know. I lost count.
I don't know what this is gonna taste like, but it's sweet.
And you lick the spoon.
All right, here. Who cares?
Oh no.
She thinks I have cooties. Cheers. I don't know
wanna
what to
eat this.
expect. Okay.
Huh.
It's actually not bad.
It's not bad.
It's actually not bad. No.
I still like the roll-up with the pickle a lot more.
I think because I like chocolate. I wasn't a fan of. No. Oh, the roll up with this. The sweetness.
Don't waste your food.
I'll eat it separate. The sweetness of the fruit roll up makes this saltiness stand out a lot more. Oh. Weird.
I'm good.
So weird. Kind of tastes like a pretzel.
I didn't mind any of them, but the Kool-Aid. Don't do a Kool-Aid. Ugh.
Kool-Aid was nasty. I got chocolate all over my hand. Kool-Aid was a no-go. Chamoy and tahini was good. Hot Cheetos were. I love hot Cheetos. Alright guys. That's it for today.
Thanks
We
for
tried
watching.
pickles. I hate pickles. She loves pickles. I guess now I like pickles. But only this kind, not in my burger. So, yeah. Alright. Peace.